السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Have you ever noticed something special about the moments right before Iftar? That moment when the sun is about to set. The day of fasting is almost over. Your hunger is at its peak, your thirst is strong, and you are just seconds away from breaking your fast. But many people miss something extremely powerful during this moment. The Prophet taught that the dua of a fasting person is not rejected. This means that during the time of fasting, your connection with Allah becomes stronger, and especially in the final moments before Iftar, that connection becomes incredibly powerful. Think about what you are experiencing in that moment. You have spent the entire day obeying Allah. You stayed away from food and drink. You controlled your desires, you showed patience. All of this was done for one reason, for Allah. And because of that sincerity, your dua becomes very special. Allah loves when His servant calls upon Him with humility. And the fasting person is naturally in a state of humility. Your body feels weak, your heart feels soft. Your mind is focused on the blessing of food and water that Allah provides. This creates a perfect moment for sincere dua, subhanallah. But there is something very important many people do wrong. Instead of making dua during these final moments, they become distracted. They start preparing food, they check their phones. They talk about random things. And suddenly the adhan is called. The moment passes and the opportunity is gone. But those who understand the value of this moment treat it differently. Just a few minutes before Iftar, they pause. They raise their hands, they ask Allah sincerely for forgiveness, for guidance, for blessings in their life, for protection for their family, for success in this world and the next. Because these few minutes could be the moment when your dua is accepted. Imagine asking Allah for something during this blessed moment, and Allah answering it. Imagine your sins being forgiven because of a sincere dua made while fasting. Imagine your life changing because you used those final moments wisely. Another beautiful thing about Ramadan is that it multiplies rewards. Your worship is more valuable. Your charity carries more reward. And your dua becomes more powerful. The Prophet also taught a beautiful dua to say when breaking the fast. Allahumma laka sumtu wa ala rizqika aftartu. O Allah, for you I have fasted, and with your provision I break my fast. This simple reminder connects your heart with gratitude. You remember that the food in front of you is a gift from Allah, and that the strength to fast the entire day was also given by Him. Ramadan is full of powerful moments, but the moments before Iftar are among the most special, because they combine patience, sincerity, humility, and gratitude. And these qualities make dua incredibly powerful. So the next time you are waiting for the adhan of Maghrib, do not waste those final minutes. Raise your hands, speak to Allah sincerely. Ask Him for everything your heart needs, because the dua of a fasting person, especially before Iftar, is a moment of mercy that should never be missed. If this reminder helped you understand the power of dua in Ramadan, subscribe for more Islamic reminders and Ramadan knowledge.